Computer science videos here today to show you guys in another unboxing video the official unboxing of the game International Cricket 2010. Without further ado, let us start the video. So on top of the game case we have the Xbox 360 logo. On the case itself we have International Cricket 2010 and still abroad, and then towards the bottom PEGI 3, England logo, Australia logo, MCC and Codemasters. On the bottom side top we have nothing, just a logo, and then on the back it says step into action, get in the game with the new action camera officially licensed by ECB and Cricket Australia, features, commentary. And now let's get into the box with the unboxing knife. Take off the plastic, move that to the side, open up the case. We have the instruction booklet, manual. We don't need any of that. Put that back in. And now for the disc itself. Close the box. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.